This is the rock cycle. The rock cycle is never a perfect circle all the time. The rock cycle is a group of changes in rocks so they can develop or change into a different rock, like igneous going to sedimentary, or sedimentary going to metamorphic, or any other way. For igneous to go to sedimentary, it goes through erosion and weathering and transportation. Then it turns into soft sediments. Then it goes through compaction and cementation to turn into sedimentary. For sedimentary to go to igneous, it goes through melting or subduction and burial and turns into magma. Then it does cooling and crystallization to turn into igneous. For igneous to turn into metamorphic, igneous rocks has to go through erosion, weathering, and transportation to turn into soft sediments. Then it goes through compaction and cementation for sedimentary. Then it goes through heat and pressure to turn into metamorphic. It actually has become a sedimentary rock before it changes into metamorphic. For metamorphic to go to igneous, it has to go through subduction and burial, which is melting, and then turns into magma, and then it cools and crystallizes into igneous rock. For sedimentary to go to metamorphic, it goes through heat and pressure, and then it's metamorphic. For metamorphic to go to sedimentary, it goes through erosion and transportation. Now here is all the key vocab and in-between stuff you should know. Erosion and transportation tear down Earth's surface, making it soft, then gets carried away by natural movements like wind, rain, and water. That's how it turns into soft sediments. Compaction and sedimentation is when sequence turns into a rock. So that's when soft sediments would turn into a rock, like sedimentary. Subduction and burial is when layers get buried underneath, oldest on the bottom and youngest on the top. That is when a rock melts and then it becomes magma. Weathering is a physical, chemical, and biological things that loosen Earth's surface. Heat and pressure alter compact sediments and melt them into magma. Cooling and crystallization form a solid with properties of the solution. Now here's the in-between stuff you should know. Magma is hot fluid within the Earth's crust. Soft sediments is deformation / liquid like first stages of a rock.